given, every association will be given 3 minutes. Within that 3 minutes, you will be explaining last 1 year what you have done to mutual fund distributor or the society, which is very important. We are going to understand from him. This will be marked down by this meeting is getting recorded, and this will be marked down and handed over to the recording copies will be sent to all the juries.
जैसे कहते हैं ना, टाटा स्टील का वो ऐड था, we also make steel. Associations will say we also sell mutual funds. So please help Indians retire rich. That's your responsibility towards the nation, and I personally look forward to listening to beautiful stories.
Last year also it was an amazing experience talking to many of you. I mean, I see a lot of people who were there last year also, and at least the associations are represented. The kind of work you all have done over the years.
So they are here. First reason is for their own members' perspective, that individual members, they come together and create it. And when they are member, they are related to, linked to the investors. So the investors are in the community, and that community is in the ecosystem, and mutual fund is part of that. The industry is part of that. AMCs are part of that. So they do a lot of activities, and these activities can be, I can segregate in different perspective or angles. First thing is their own individual members perspective.
कुछ चीजें बताना चाहूँगा. Basically, एमडा ने पिछले खास तौर से 1 साल में अगर पिछले कामों को देखा जाए तो 3 जो अप्रैल मई का जो महीना रहा इस बार 2 महीने, उसमें बहुत काम करा. उसमें मतलब सोसाइटी के लिए इतना ज्यादा काम करा. हम लोगों ने क्या करा, एक ग्रुप बना लिए थे अलग अलग IFAs के, ऑल ओवर दिल्ली NCR के, ऑल इंडिया के, जिसमें कम से कम हमने कंसंट्रेटर्स 4-5 अरेंज करे. मेडिसिन के लिए अलग ग्रुप बनाया हमने हॉस्पिटल्स के लिए अलग ग्रुप बनाया. जितनी भी लीड्स ऑल इंडिया में घूमती थी ब्लड्स के लिए, प्लाज्मा के लिए, हमने सबको वेरीफाई करने के लिए एक टीम बनाई, जिससे कि क्योंकि क्या हो रहा था कि बहुत सारे डाटा तो अवेलेबल थे, बट we are not able to see the right data.
And for the past 1 year, the most important achievement as per me was that we could have successfully conducted another batch of CFP education, and for this time almost 30 members plus their staff have successfully completed that. And this is the second batch. In the first batch also we had almost 25 people completing it, so that was one of the most important achievement for us.
I, Philip Cherian, President of IFA, Association of Independent Financial Advisors. This is IFA is an organization for mutual fund distributors in Kerala. This has 4 chapters: Ernakulam, Trivandrum, Calicut, and Kottayam, with around 400 members. In January 2016, it was registered as a charitable society.
Regarding this COVID situation, we have one of our MFDs donated blood during this COVID situation, and we have donated frontline warriors. Municipal workers are there now, sir. We have given groceries for 20-25 members. One of the ward we have selected. In that ward, we have given this daily usage utensils and all these things.
This time we did slightly different than the first lockdown was. This time we identified more of local talents. So that's one thing we did, because of course a lot of talent from outside and the big speakers we've been always bringing. But this time we said that there are a lot of talent within us. So we thought we will identify them and also encourage them to participate and speak. So that is one thing we did.
In the last year, we had 3 of our members who passed away. So on personally, as well as our other EC members had reached out to these people if we could help them in especially their next of kin to take over the business. I think that's it. I think I will have to definitely buck up and do much more better for the next year. Thank you all.
So in fact, this is more like an extempo for me, because I was absolutely not aware of this, and I didn't know even 15 minutes back that there is something like this happening as well. So in fact, I'm representing CAMFA. CAMFA is Karnataka Association of Mutual Fund Advisors, and we had elections this year in the month of March, And after about 8 years, there was a complete revamp and a new team who took over the previous committee. And then, we are all the more eager to work together with other associations.
सब IFS को जूम मीटिंग नहीं मालूम है कैसा लॉगिन होना, कैसा ट्रेनिंग करना, कैसा अटेंड करना, नहीं करना. तो जूम मीटिंग लगा के हर 15 डेज के एक बार सबको IFS को नॉलेज शेयरिंग करे, कैसा कैफिनटेक का और कैंप्स का Edge 360 का कैसा यूज करना, कैसा क्या करना, वो पूरा IFS को ये नॉलेज शेयरिंग बहुत करे. Myself also, my association members also learned from रमेश साहब से, कनेक्ट साहब से बहुत सीखे ये ऑनलाइन ट्रांजैक्शंस के लिए.
सर हर जैसे कि सभी एसोसिएशन उनके डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर्स के लिए ट्रेनिंग और नॉलेज एनहांसमेंट के लिए सभी ट्रेनिंग करते हैं. शोलापुर में भी सेम किया जाता है. शोलापुर एक छोटा डिस्ट्रिक्ट है महाराष्ट्र के अंदर. हम लोग कोशिश करते हैं कि ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोगों को म्यूचुअल फंड के बारे में जानकारी मिले और इन्वेस्टर अवेयरनेस का प्रोग्राम हम ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा कर सकते हैं. लास्ट ईयर हम लोगों ने बिफोर पैंडेमिक एक IIP किया था जिसमें 700 प्लस इन्वेस्टर आए थे. कृष्णन शर्मा और ये लेक्चरर थे उस सेशन के.
और हमारे मेंबर का उद्देश्य यही था कि सब लोगों को जोड़े. इंडिविजुअल जो काम करते थे उसमें बहुत दिक्कतें आती थी, तो सारे लोग को जोड़ के हमने एक प्लेटफॉर्म पे लाया और लाने के बाद उनको सारी फैसिलिटी प्रोवाइड की गई. और आज के डेट में है जहाँ पे पहले 5 से 10% काम होता था ऑनलाइन प्लेटफॉर्म पे, वहां पे करीब 75 से 85% वर्क हुआ तो ऑनलाइन प्लेटफॉर्म पे.
इस साल हमने एक ही काम किया. हमारा एक ही मोटिव एसोसिएशन का कि नॉलेज एंड नॉलेज. मोर देन 50% मेंबर आर द CFP नासिक एसोसिएशन. तो हमारा एक ही मोटिव है कि नॉलेज. ये टाइम में हमने क्या किया कि फिनटेक और कैम्स के लगातार महीने में एक प्रोग्राम करके हमारा पूरा नासिक के IFA जो है वो डिजिटल प्लेटफॉर्म में मूव हो गए.